Every local process has an even more local process, and this is one of those. I decided to follow this woman to witness how she makes her local clay pots. First, we journeyed for close to 1 kilometer away from her house to a nearby stream to dig up the clay. As you can see, this is the spot for almost everybody making clay pot in the community. Thanks to the rocky nature of the village, the rocks around her house are used to pound the clay. Without a pottery wheel, she began to mold her clay. increase the size of the pot, she needs to heat it to assume a bigger shape. Notice how the designs on the pot are formed. They are from the thick woven fabric the pot is placed on. When molding is done, the pots are left to dry naturally before taken for burning. Very important in this local clay pot production is this tree. Believe me, I've tried to know the name of this tree, and the only name I can lay my hands on is a thief name, and it's called Bine. The bark of the tree is peeled off and pounded and water added to it. It serves two very important functions. They are coloring and hardening. Let's get on and burn the pots to see how this is used. If you want your pot to be black as this is, then you will use the water as natural as it is. But if you want to have a red pot, then you will need to boil the water before using it on the pot. And very importantly is that if you don't apply this method, then upon first use, the pot is going to dissolve. Before making use of the pot, you will have to first leave boiled water in it for minutes to remove the chemical. The smaller pots are used for cooking. The perforated ones are used as washing baskets, while the big pots are referred to as the native refrigerator due to its water cooling ability. The next time you see a clay pot, remember the journey it has taken from the earth to the fire, shaped by the hands of a craftsman, and in this case, a craftswoman. I strongly desire to purchase a manual pottery wheel for this aged woman making pots to take care of herself, so your support will be greatly appreciated. Thank you for watching this video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and leave a comment. See you in the next video.